It's my last time in college, so get ready with me for school. Today, I'll wear something black or white or maybe a combination of both. Pero gusto ko babagay sa hair na to. Kasi ginanito ko na hair ko para hindi siya fly for the day. So maybe let's wear something cutesy. Kasi cutesy din yung hair. So, skirt. Yes. This is not a skirt. This is a skirt. This is also from Ukay. You already know. Pero, how much ba to? 15? 30? I don't know. Basta, less than 50 ko siya nabili. Since black na yung skirt, let's wear a white top. Wait, and this is the top that I chose. May black and white siya. So, perfect for the theme. Hindi to Ukay, pero nabili ko siya pre-loved. Dito sa school lang din. Here. And since white yung top, let's pair it with this white platform shoes. Ilang years na to? Sa 3 years na ata siya. And kita nyo naman, buhay na buhay pa siya. Ito siya with the shoes. I was thinking, ito na bag? Pero parang mas bagay ito dito, parang backpack, no? Parang mas bagay siya sa look. Alam mo yung vibe niya? Gets nyo ba? See? Mas bagay siya sa trip natin today. I'm going to wear this white earrings na ang nakalagay is J. Ginawa ko kasi to nung time na isa lang yung bias ko sa NHA, which is si J. Ngayon kasi sila na lahat. We have small ribbons there, and this is our final look. This is from Ukay. Ito, pre-love. Ito, tsaka ito, orange. By the time na na-post ko na tong video na to, nakapag-post na ako in Instagram. So, see you there.